All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here. So I got the Pixel 8a Spigen rugged armor case here. Spigen was kind enough to send this out for review. If you want to pick it up, you can scoop it up on Amazon. And I totally forgot to look up the price, so it is going to be right here. But I know it's going to be an affordable case. There always are. So if you are interested in scooping it up after watching this video, you know what to do. Follow the links down in the description. You are supporting my channel when you use those links, and it doesn't cost you anything. So totally click and buy, guys. So yeah, so here's the packaging. Looks just like every other Spigen box. So you got a picture of the phone case here. It does say rugged armor, Spigen, something you want, and then made for Google Pixel. So let's get it out. So let's lift up that tab here and take it out of the plastic wrapping. And there is the case. So looking pretty dang nice. But let's look at the inside here first. So as you can see here, that very recognizable spider web pattern from Spigen, like I've always talked about. There in the upper left-hand corner, you can see it does say air cushion technology, which does tell you that you do get those awesome reinforced bumpers that are going to help act like little airbags for the phone case. And nothing too crazy going on inside. I mean, it is a TPU case, but it does have some nice flex to it, but just really a really nice looking case. So let's go ahead and slap my Pixel 8a in here. So I'll start with the buttons first and then kind of just push in. And there we go. So there is the phone case installed. And gotta say, it looks pretty good. I've always been a big fan of the rugged armor. I'm actually rocking the rugged armor right now on my iPhone 15 Pro. I've been using it as my daily driver a lot lately, but this is one of the OG cases. You know, it's one that I've used for many, many, many years. But as you can see on the back, it does have this really nice texture. It is a little smoother, which is okay. It's not exactly the same kind of texture as my 15 Pro is, but that's not to say that it's like super smooth, but it is a little bit different than that one. And we got some Spigen branding right there, as you can see. So it's a little high gloss black there. You got the faux carbon fiber here at the bottom, which looks really good in my opinion. And then you do have this like kind of ribbed pattern here up at the top where the visor is, as you can see there. And then it is nicely recessed for the lenses, and then just that visor is once again just so non-existent anymore. It's just crazy. And then you do have the little hole punch there for the flash up there. But as far as everything goes, that's the look of the back. Now let's take a peek here at the side, and as you can see here, we do have that kind of ribbed pattern like the Liquid Air and some other phone cases. The volume up and down and power buttons do have kind of a little pop of high gloss black in the middle of them, as you can see there, with a little bit of an outline for them. And they do have the two holes down there for people who like to use lanyards. There's a little bit of a touch of some high gloss black once again there. And then if we flip it down, then you can kind of see how that is, where those reinforced corners are. So that's going to be where if you do drop it, like I said, it's going to help protect it. And then we do have our nice cut out there for the USB-C charging port, and then our speakers down at the bottom. And then on the side, nothing too crazy going on, because there's literally nothing going on other than the grippy ribbed pattern there. And high gloss black once again, high gloss black on the sides, which are kind of once again those like little reinforced corners there. And then of course a circular cutout up top for the actual microphone. So now if we look at it from the front here, you're going to see, one, it is tempered glass friendly, which is nice. Two, has a little bit of some lip action going around here. So you are getting 360 screen protection. So if you are someone that cares about A, being tempered glass friendly, and B, being able to place it face down and not really hitting your screen, then this case definitely passes that test. And that's the look of the top down. And then that's the look, if I zoom in a little bit, of what it looks like for the actual cutout there, which looks pretty dang nice. So now let's go ahead and do the wobble test here. So if we put it face down, there is no shaking going on at all. And if we go back down, there is no shaking going on either. So big thumbs up once again. Really, really like that. So now let's go ahead and test out the clicky buttons here and do the clicky button test. So let's start with that power button first. Oh yeah. Very clicky. And volume up and down. Okay, guys. Once again, man, these Spigen cases are very clicky and tactile, so it passes my clicky button test with flying colors. And then last but not least, let's check out the wireless charging capabilities. So I do have my MagSafe charger here. Yes, guys, I know, doing a wireless charging test with a MagSafe charger, but it works. So there we go. So yeah, if you like to wirelessly charge your device, then you're good to go if you have a MagSafe charger or a regular Qi wireless charger. So the point is yeah, you're going to be able to wirelessly charge it with ease and do Google Pay with ease as well. So final verdict with this case is just like all the Rugged Armor cases. It's an OG case. I like it. Feels good in the hand. I do wish it was a little bit of that grippier pattern like the other phone cases are for more of like the flagships, but it still gives that really nice appearance. It looks sophisticated, but also at the same time rugged. I do really like that it looks fast as well with that carbon fiber at the bottom. So there's a lot to be said that is really nice and enjoyable about this phone case. And for the affordability side of it, it's definitely a no-brainer. So hit the like button if you like this video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.